Hey guys, so we're going to go over Motive ELD today. It's a super user friendly. Depending on which truck you're in, you're going to get this kind of a login. It's either going to be CTI, it's either going to be SCE, or GTI. Depends on what truck you're in. We have 3 different companies under our mother company, but it's just going to depend on what truck you're driving for the login. Now we'll move down to where we go and put in your passwords. So your passwords are always going to be the same. It's going to be the letter F followed by your FedEx ID. So as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and enter it in. So as you see, it's F followed by your FedEx ID. Now this will be the screen that you get to when you start up the app. Now when you're starting up the app, you're going to see this screen in front of you. Now, the easiest way to go ahead and get started is the Start Your Day button. You'll be able to select your duty status. Between any of these, you do have to start your day and on duty. Next, you'll be able to select your vehicle. Now, you need to make sure that your vehicle, the one that you are in, is the right one. Next, after you select the vehicle, it'll go to your assets. These are your trailers, your dialing numbers, things like that. Next, after that, you'll be able to do a pre-trip on those if you haven't completed that already. Most of the time, though, you'll be at the yard. Once you're done, this will take you back to your home screen where you're at. Now, you can swipe up. You can kind of see where your log information is. As you can see, all these clocks say 0. If you need to edit your log, there's a way to edit your on-duty statuses. There's a way to edit your off-duty statuses. You cannot edit the drive line. But now, so some of you are going to be driving with a co-driver. Here, you're going to go to settings. You're going to go to co-drivers. You'll add co-driver. You'll be able to put in their login information, and you both will be signed in. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead and fluctuate to the inspection mode. If you have a DOT inspection, it makes it very user-friendly. You just hit begin inspection. You can send your logs however the officer wants them. You can go straight to this screen. That drop-down DOT inspection mode will do that for you. Now I want to talk about the way your logs look when you go to logs. Now, when you're looking at this screen, you can look over that top right corner. You can see your 4 circles. Obviously, this needs to be edited a little bit. So if you have forgotten to put yourself off duty, we did that today. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You're going to slide over to the left and go to edit. You can put off duty or sleeper. You cannot address the yard moves, driving, anything like that. You need to leave a note underneath it. So here, I'm going to type in off duty, and I'm going to save it and be done. Now, when you're going back and you're looking at this, you're going to have to make sure that you sign your logs. What happens if you don't sign your logs after you edit? Well, you're going to flip over to this screen, and you're going to see that this time it did actually save it, but sometimes it won't. So you need to make sure you sign your logs, especially after you edit. So then, you look over, we got some time back. So same thing again. Sorry about that. Same thing again here. We're going to look at Friday's log. And we're going to go and edit Friday. We hit on Friday. We're going to hit that on duty where it shows it. We're going to mark it as off duty. For your location, you have to make sure you get this right. You cannot just put in no location. If you accidentally type, it's not going to save. It's not going to pull it up. So what you have to do is you click that circle there. It doesn't even matter if you're at home. Make sure you add your notes. That way, in case you're ever pulled over, you have the correct notation. You have the correct location. Anybody can see that, hey, this is an edit. And now you see we have our logs completely back. We are ready to drive. From here, just looking at the home screen, you can log back out. Make sure you log out every single day. Make sure that there's no issues with your, if you see a log or a issue of a log that says, hey, you have a violation. If you can't do the edit, then you need to call My Fleet AI. On every single windshield in the trucks, you will have a sticker that says My Fleet AI. They should be your first call for ELD. That number is especially assigned to the company. When you're calling, they'll ask you for the truck number. They'll pull it up. They'll be able to walk you through. If for any reason you're not able to get help in My Fleet AI, please feel free to reach out to Kelly, to me, or to whoever manager is on duty at the time. Other than that, welcome aboard. Let me know if you guys got any questions about ELD.